So Navaratri is here and we're always looking to make interesting snack recipes for Navaratri. So what is a common snack recipe? According to me, I think it's Sundal, and we make different varieties. So today we're going to do a very interesting and very tasty and healthy groundnuts, that is Verkadalai Sundal. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make the Groundnut Sundal, I've taken about 200 grams of groundnuts roughly. First, wash the groundnuts, remove all the mud that's sticking to the shell. Next, I'm going to pressure cook the groundnuts along with the skin. Pour enough water. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Also add half teaspoon of rock salt. If you don't have the whole groundnuts with the skin, you can always find them in the market. You can get raw groundnuts and you can boil them. Pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. The groundnuts are cooked. Strain the groundnuts, let them cool completely. The groundnuts have come to room temperature. Now I'm going to start removing them from the shell. Now I've removed the boiled groundnuts from the shell. Next, let's make the sundal. Next, I'm going to temper the boiled groundnuts. For this, take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. To this, add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add the chopped green chilli. Add a few curry leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida Powder. To this, add the cooked groundnuts. Season it with salt. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped raw mango. Now this is optional. 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Adding small bits of raw mango gives a little sourness to the sundal. Mix it all together for about a minute. Turn off the stove. The groundnut sundal is ready. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious and protein-rich Verkadalai Sundal, which you can snack anytime during the day. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frame.